In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this effect for your videos with AI. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And actually, this is a platform that you can try for just $1. So you could follow this tutorial for just $1. And after you created the account, you will arrive here. Here, we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings. And here in model, we're going to use the Omni Flash model. Now we have to click here and upload our video. That in my case is this one.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months.
So now let's click here. And here where it says describe your video, we are going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. So now we have to click here and click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot. The quality of the video is really good. So if you like it, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section and that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.